Hello everyone. Let's zoom in on the Insta360 Ace Pro, a camera that's stirring excitement among action cam enthusiasts. With its sleek design and robust build, it's ready for any adventure you can dream up. The Ace Pro boasts a 2.4-inch flip screen that's perfect for framing your shots on the go. Video quality is a standout feature, with the camera offering 8K resolution at 24 frames per second. It's a significant step up in the action camera market, providing crisp, detailed footage in various lighting conditions. Stills are just as impressive with a 48MP sensor capturing sharp, detailed images. The HDR photo mode excels at balancing highlights and shadows, ensuring your photos are vibrant and full of life. Stabilization is another strong suit of the Ace Pro, ensuring smooth footage even in the most action-packed scenarios. The camera's range of mounts and robust build make it suitable for all action sports, ready to withstand diverse environments.